I've got today a super exciting nail supply haul from Sweetie Nail Supply, guys. And I am stoked because I do not have anything like this in my collection. We're going to check out these cool new gels that I picked up, if I can get this box open. And we have here a beautiful thank you card. Thank you so much, Sweetie Nail Supply. It's not massive, but it is exciting. So, these are the 3 items that I picked up that I do not have anything similar in my collection. All right, guys, we have here the new Unbox Canvas mini set. I'm so excited. This is a solid cream texture gel, and they are so cool. So cool. They look like, wait until you see this, guys. They look like acrylic paints, but these are in fact gel paints for doing nails. They just look like acrylics. We've got this little beauty to check out. And I also picked up, since I was getting texture gels, this sweet little collection was actually on sale. And I figured, why not? This one is a texture gel as well, but these are neon colors. So I'm super excited to play with those. And the other one was Unbox. This is Bevla. I'm going to take a quick peek at these and see what they're all about in this unboxing. And then I picked up this Edge Clear Gel from Jello. Again, we're looking at another texture gel. We got a theme going here, guys. This was a texture gel. Let's check it out. Ooh, and I think this is exactly what I was looking for. Something that's going to be a no wipe. I can't read it, but I'm pretty sure it said that it was no wipe. So working really well for doing chromes and all kinds of other stuff that you want to add texture to. All right, so let's get in closer and check these babies out. So I had picked up a watercolor palette for storing mixed glitter gels that I put together for different sets. And so my thinking is that when it comes to the canvas collection, I will be storing anything I've opened in here. We're going to just do a little play with this and see what we come up with. I've got just a super regular art paintbrush here. Nothing fancy or gel. If I'm going to use these for a project, I think I will be putting them into the palette. For today, I'm going to test them on here because they provide you with this beautiful little palette card. And this one is $25. Yeah, it's just like a nice thick acrylic paint. This is going to be so fun to try new techniques. I've seen a lot of people using these for like impressionist painting kind of styles. I've never done anything like that, but I'm super curious. That's so cool, guys. I can already see this Christmas doing some really cool plaids and tweeds with this. Maybe some aurora type, like aurora borealis night mood, stars, outdoors kind of stuff. This is 28, the orange. It's so good having just a primary palette here to work with because you can essentially mix anything you want out of those colors. How big are they? So 10 grams. So this is same as like a 10 mil Korean gel, which is pretty typical. Woo! That's certainly a primary green. These primary colors are so primary. It's awesome. They did not miss on that one. Let's see if they hit it with this blue. Yep, they sure did. The tube doesn't quite look like, well, that looks identical. So let's see. Is this a super primary blue? Yeah, it is. Yeah, tube makes it look a little bit purple. And when it's on your brush, it matches the tube and looks a little bit purple, but once you get it down there, that is blue. That is a super primary blue right there. It's a vibrant purple. Yeah, look at that. Oh, so pretty, guys. This is so cool. I cannot wait to start mixing and playing with these colors and seeing what we can do with them on nails. I'm going to put this into cure. There they are, all cured. That is super cool. That's neat. And, oh, it's unfortunate that it doesn't fit inside the box. So I will trim down the edges because this box is kind of perfect and nice and minimal for storing them. So that's a good way to make sure to keep them. And these do cure, no wipe, but they have a very matted look to them. And apparently you can leave it like that. But if you want a better lasting effect, it says that it's a good idea to put a top coat on of some sort. It does have a matte finish, but not like true matte. It's, well, because it's an acrylic paint look, right? I'll have a play with these and do some sample nails at some point and see what they're like. Or maybe a full set, I'm not sure. And now for these Bevla. This is the Art Collection Mulgam 2. And I just realized these are only a 4 mil. They look like a big jar, but when you put them upside down, they're actually like only this much. The rest of that is just a lift for some reason. I'm not sure. But what I'm going to do for these is just put my sample right on the top of them so I can see what the, oh, there we go. Open it up and away we are. So yeah, there's not a lot of product in there. Not at all. But still, it's really cool and fluorescent. So I'm going to get the rest of this packaging off because they're all individually wrapped here. And then we're going to sample and see what these colors look like. So I'm really excited for that. It's still kind of a little bit of summer, so maybe I can have a play with some of these neons before it's too late. And it's great. It comes with a white, so then you can tone down any of the neon colors. That's always a great idea. Having a white in there makes a really nice option. So I wonder what these are like in comparison to the Divock. Like, this is much thinner consistency. And of course the Divock, the colors are not going to be comparable, but I'm wondering the formula, what the formulation is like in difference. So this kind of seems like just a really super thick art gel to me, more so than the super textured that is. It's the lime green. Neon green. Yeah, like it still does certainly give a textured effect, but only a little more so than a art gel, I would say. Oh, that's a nice neon orange. Has anybody picked up any of these types of texture gels yet? How do you find working with them? I'd love to hear in the comments if anybody has any texture gels from anywhere and if they find them useful, or is it just kind of gimmicky, something that you try out once here and there and then you don't ever kind of pick it up again. I gotta say the lids are really weird. I'm wondering if it has something to do with the way these expand or off gas or something. Look at that. It's not a screw on lid. It's like some kind of interesting pop down lid. Very different. I've never come across anything like that. So they are curing, very matte. And these ones, I do not know whether they are no wipe or not. But like just from the cure, they don't seem to have an inhibition layer there because they're so very matte. Let's see what happens if I give it a wipe here. Some color is coming away, definitely. When I see that, it always makes me wonder if we'll be needing a top coat for that. But I'm not sure how it's marketed as, whether it's no wipe or not. But they're curing with like really nice bright colors. They look quite amazing. It's a gorgeous bubblegum pink. Gorgeous. Not super neon, but super pretty. This is a Barbie pink. like that. I like that pink a lot. Gotta be careful when you're pulling them off here. There's pink coming out all over the place. So yeah, that tells me like these are a lot runnier than those. Those are thick. Those are the Divock is not going to go anywhere. It's not going to move. This stuff obviously is moving because it's shifted in the container here. So not quite the same product or similar product or similar formula. Woo! Now this is like a neon pink. It says poppy red, but this is kind of a neon pink, if you ask me. Yes, it is red toned, but that's not red. That's a flaming neon pink. Oh, it's not picking it up that great in the camera though. In the camera, it's looking much more red. In person, it is looking flaming neon pink. And last we have white. Which is probably going to be white. Those cream white. Let's see. Oh, well, that's no good. I got pink into the white. I was thinking about that too. The white maybe should have been first. Okay, let's try this again. We're going for white. All white. Okay, I thought maybe it was going to be like an off-white because it says cream white. So I was looking for more of a off-white eggshell kind of, but that is very, very pure white to me. Nice bright white color there. I like that. So they cure with a really nice matte effect. I really like that. It'll be nice if you don't have to top coat over it, but I have a feeling you might need to. But it's still some really cool colors, and it looks like it'll be a lot of fun to play with. So then the last item was the Edge Gel from Jello, and it looks like it was exactly what I was looking for. So it is a completely like solid type gel. Let's see. Oh, sorry, it has a plastic sheet over it. Okay. So it is quite solid, just not perfectly completely solid. So there we go. Very, very thick solid gel. It is no wipe, and it looks like you can use it for putting down really heavy charms. You can use it for chrome designs that you want to sit still. It's a no wipe, so you can put really cool chrome effects over it. Looks like it's really, really versatile, so I'm really excited to have this and hopefully do some really cool art techniques with it. So I hope you guys like checking out this haul with me, and let me know in the comments what you'd love to see played with first. Do you have any ideas on something to do with them? And have any of you ever used any texture gels yet? I'd love to see what you've done with them. If you see anything cool here that you'd be interested in trying out, don't forget to check out the description box below to find links for all of the products on Sweetie Nail Supply. You can always use my coupon code LYN for 10% off. Let me know what you guys would be doing with these. They look really cool. I think they'll be a lot of fun to play with and really experiment and try out some new stuff because this is completely out of my wheelhouse. As always, guys, thanks so much for being here and watching my videos. Until next time, don't forget to love your nails. Bye!